Hello students, now to understand the effect of temperature on solubility of solid in liquid. First of all, consider the equilibrium solute plus solvent changing into solution. Now suppose this dissolution takes place with the absorption of heat, means reactant side पे heat लिख दे रहे हैं, तो क्या हो जाता है solute plus solvent plus heat forming solution means during the dissolution heat is absorbed by the system. This kind of reaction is called endothermic reaction. Now delta H value is positive for this kind of reaction. So in this kind of dissolution which takes place with the absorption of heat, which is endothermic in nature, when we increase the temperature, the equilibrium will shift in such a way so as to nullify the effect of increase in temperature. This follows Le-Chatelier principles. This is so because this solute and solvent forming solution, this is in dynamic equilibrium. So the equilibrium will shift in such a way so that the effect of increase in temperature is nullified. So when we increase the temperature, the equilibrium will shift in the direction in which more and more heat is absorbed during the reaction and effect of temperature is nullified. In this case, the direction is forward direction. So when we increase the temperature, more and more solute dissolves in solvent and more heat is absorbed, resulting in the formation of solution, and effect of increase in temperature is nullified. So in endothermic reaction, solubility increases with rise in temperature. Next is exothermic reaction. In case of exothermic reaction, what happens? Solute plus solvent forming solution, and in this case heat is evolved during the reaction, means heat is on the product side. Now this kind of reaction is called exothermic reaction, and in this reaction delta H is negative. Now in this case dissolution takes place with the evolution of heat. So if there is a rise in temperature, then equilibrium will shift in the direction in which more and more heat is absorbed during the reaction so that the effect of rise in temperature is nullified. Now in this case the reverse reaction takes place with the absorption of heat. So with increase in temperature, reverse reaction will be favored, or the reaction in the backward direction will be favored. And reaction in the backward direction is favored means more and more solute separates out from the solution. Therefore, when dissolution takes place with the evolution of heat or dissolution is exothermic, then solubility decreases with rise in temperature. Now, point to be noted, in both these cases, the solution is nearly a saturated solution and a dynamic equilibrium exists between the solute, solvent and the solution. Next is effect of pressure. Now, solubility of solids in liquids is not very much affected by pressure. This is so because the intermolecular spaces between solids and liquids are very less in comparison to gases. Therefore, solids and liquids are highly incompressible and they remain unaffected by the changes in pressure.